So apparently we're having a Friday 13th, the second time in a row this year. And the exact same thing happened 6 years ago when the COVID happened. And I think this time something is also gonna happen. And there could be two scenarios. One, it could be one global event that could impact us, all of us, but and number two, it could be one event that could change one individual. So 8 billion events in for every single person's lives. It could also happen as well. And I'm not saying it's gonna be something good or bad, but I'm hoping that it's gonna be something good in my life at least. And I have no clue what that is gonna be, what's gonna happen, or maybe it's just gonna be a regular day, but we're gonna find out in exactly 1 week. But one thing is for sure, something is coming to all of us.